The Environment Protection Act 1986 is an important law enacted to protect and improve the environment in India. It provides clear definitions of important terms so that the law can be properly understood and implemented. These definitions help the government, industries, and citizens know their duties and responsibilities. The important terms are explained below in very simple language. 1. Environment. According to Section 2A of the Environment Protection Act 1986, environment includes water, air, land and the relationship among them, human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms and property. Simple meaning, environment means everything around us that supports life. It includes the air we breathe, the water we drink, the land on which we live, trees, animals, birds, rivers, forests, and even human beings. All these are connected with each other. If one part is harmed, the others are also affected. Example, if a river becomes polluted, fish die, animals lose drinking water, farmers cannot irrigate their fields, and people may suffer from diseases. 2. Environmental pollution. According to Section 2C, environmental pollution means the presence of any environmental pollutant in the environment. Simple meaning, environmental pollution means the contamination of air, water, or land by harmful substances that make the environment unsafe for living beings. Example, smoke from factories polluting the air, sewage entering rivers, and plastic waste thrown on land are examples of environmental pollution. 3. Hazardous substance. According to Section 2E, a hazardous substance is any substance or preparation which, because of its chemical or physical properties or the way it is handled, can cause harm to human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms, property, or the environment. Simple meaning, a hazardous substance is any dangerous chemical or material that can cause injury, disease, death, fire, explosion, or environmental damage if not handled properly. Examples, toxic gases, industrial chemicals, pesticides, acids, radioactive materials, and certain medical wastes. 4. Handling. According to Section 2D, handling means the manufacture, processing, treatment, packaging, storage, transportation, use, collection, destruction, conversion, sale, transfer or any similar activity relating to a hazardous substance. Simple meaning, handling means every activity connected with a hazardous substance, from the time it is produced until it is safely disposed of. Example, a factory manufacturing chemicals, storing them in tanks, transporting them by trucks, and safely disposing of waste is handling hazardous substances. 5. Occupier. According to Section 2F, occupier means a person who has control over the affairs of a factory or premises. In relation to a hazardous substance, it also includes the person who possesses that substance. Simple meaning, an occupier is the person who manages or controls a factory, industry, or place where hazardous substances are used or stored. This person is responsible for following environmental laws and safety measures. Example, the owner or factory manager of a chemical plant is the occupier and is responsible for preventing pollution and ensuring worker and public safety. Case study, Bhopal Gas Disaster, 1984. The Bhopal gas disaster is the best example for understanding these terms. On the night of 2 to 3 December 1984, poisonous methyl isocyanate (MIC) gas leaked from the Union Carbide factory in Bhopal. In this case, the environment included the air, nearby land, water, people, animals, and plants. The leaked MIC gas caused environmental pollution because it contaminated the air. Mic gas was a hazardous substance because it was highly poisonous. The factory was handling the hazardous substance by manufacturing and storing it. The factory management was the occupier, and it was responsible for maintaining safety and preventing accidents. Due to negligence and poor safety measures, thousands of people died and many others suffered serious health problems. This disaster later led to the enactment of the Environment Protection Act 1986. It teaches us that dangerous substances must always be handled carefully and that occupiers must strictly follow environmental and safety laws. Conclusion. The definitions under the Environment Protection Act 1986 help everyone understand the scope of environmental protection. Environment includes all living and non-living things around us. Environmental pollution means contamination of the environment. Hazardous substances are dangerous materials that require special care. Handling covers every activity related to such substances, and the occupier is legally responsible for ensuring safety. Proper understanding of these terms helps in preventing pollution, protecting public health, and conserving nature for future generations.